First part goes back here. Alright everybody, I just ordered a brand new Scooterx go-kart. We're gonna get it out of its box and see what we're working with. We're gonna get it. Gonna need a knife. There's a go-kart in there. I can see it. There's a go-kart and there's pieces. Look at there, look at there. Another tire. Tire.
Nice.
We have an entire front suspension. And it looks like the engine comes already bolted on the rear axle and everything. Got a frame too. Oh. It's pretty cool. Frame stuff. That bolt, I'm assuming, is important. Oh, hey, the nut! Ah, for the important bolt I found. You have it. Move the nitro skid four-wheeler out of the way. Kind of lay it out. I'll get it go. First part goes back here. Start it however you like, but me personally, I'm going to start by bolting on the front end. That part just slides right on through there, and then you got two nuts on the front to hold the front end on. Alright, now we're going to try and attach the back to the front. You can see this bushing's got a zip tie on it to keep it from falling off when it's shipping. You gotta cut the zip tie there. Same story over here. And then that was the bolt which had fallen out in our box. And take that same bolt off on this side. Put the roller back to it. There we go. Then do the shock bolts. There you go. You can see right here where your steering mounts up. Slide the bolt through there. Push it on the outside. Slap the tire on. If you had good friends who would help hold it up so you can put the tire on, that'd be great.
So sorry.
But they're so busy playing with their mini bikes, they don't want to help.
It's part of the mini bike video.
See, they put this little washer here so you can put a cover, a little plastic cover over this part. I never run the covers. They're kind of a pain to get on, but it's still a good washer to have back there. And you always put your cotter pins back in just in case that nut tries to back off. Cotter pin will save you. If your cotter pin ever doesn't line up, you always tighten it more. You never back it off. Alrighty. Next on the list is all your cables. Here's your brakes. Somewhat important. It's going to end up over here. And here's your throttle. The only one that's really important. You're going to run that up this side. And it's going to end up right here. Well, got the upside down. Kill switch.
Kill switch.
Pretty easy. Just wire, one connection, on, off, etc., etc. Grab that. Run her along this way. I like to put this little middle swirly part here, anywhere you think it's going to be rubbing on the frame. Keeps it from rubbing through. Taking zip tie her down, secure. Make sure you got enough slack in it for it to go everywhere it needs to go. There, I think that's pretty decent routing for that. Now for the throttle cable. Tie her down there. Make sure we got enough slack. Got plenty of slack.
Wait. Wait. Oh God. I don't think I'm doing this right. I think
Push
there's
the button.
push the button. Okay, there it is. I think it's off. Mint.
Let's see if we can get the first start going on this thing. Fuel on, choke on. Both these set to on. Sometimes those switches are backwards, so. First pull. Did we ever put any oil in this? Put oil in your motor before starting. Probably. Good. Right away, the first most apparent thing you have to do with these is put some sort of barrier between this panel and here. Otherwise they'll just sit there and rattle and drive you nuts the entire time you're riding it. And the front's a little twitchy, probably needs the alignment adjusted, but she goes and she stops. A little bit of braking, a little smoke. She's ready to play.